Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Parrot Bay strawberry flavored rum. It is 42 proof, and it's a product out of Kentucky. Ounce and a half, your Parrot Bay strawberry flavored rum. And I'm going to top it off with this A&W ice cream sundae flavored soda. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Steve Murray. Steve passed away on December 17, 2025 at the age of 81. He served in the Navy Reserves and he called New York home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Oh, I'm going to give this a 9.5 out of 10. This, I think, is a better strawberry product than the Mozart white chocolate bar. Nope. Delete the whole comment. I'm going to give that a 9.5 out of 10. I think the Parrot Bay strawberry rum is better than the Mozart white chocolate and strawberry liqueur that I had a few days ago. So I would recommend this one over that one. Never drink to forget. Always drink to remember. Steve, may you rest in peace. That is delicious. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.